In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use forms in ClickUp. Forms are a simple way to collect information, route requests, and turn responses into organized tasks without back and forth messages. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to find forms in your workspace and how to access the builder that lets you shape the questions and flow that fit your team's needs. First, head to ClickUp. Open it in your browser or the desktop app and make sure you're in the correct workspace. If your organization uses multiple workspaces, glance at the workspace name in the sidebar so you're working in the right place from the start. This saves you from moving submissions later and ensures your form feeds into the right area. Next, choose your space. A space is the high-level container where related projects and processes live. Select the space where you want your form-driven tasks to land, whether that's for IT requests, marketing briefs, or internal surveys. It helps to think about who will triage the incoming items and pick the space those people already use. If your team has a dedicated space for intake, head there now so your form aligns with existing workflows. Now click View, then select Form Survey. You'll find the view controls near the top of your space or list area. Add a new view, choose the Forms option, and select the survey style to start with a question-focused layout. You can name this view to make it easy for teammates to recognize later. Once the Form Survey view opens, you'll see the Form Builder where you can add and arrange fields. This is where you control what information you collect, such as short answers, multiple choice, ratings, dates, or file uploads. Keep required fields to only what's essential so people can complete the form quickly. If a question feeds a key workflow, make it required and add a brief description so responders understand what to provide. As you add fields, think about how each answer will map to task details like title, description, assignees, or due dates to keep downstream work clean. Finally, see the steps that show on screen. ClickUp typically guides you through setting the form, title, and description, organizing questions, and adjusting settings like confirmation messages and response visibility. Use the preview to check the flow, verify which fields are required, and confirm the destination within your space. A quick test submission helps you validate that answers create tasks exactly where you expect. When everything looks good, you're ready to put your form to work and streamline how information comes into your team.